There's a discussion in the Gemara about hadlaka oseh mitzvah. What is the actual mitzvah? Is it the lighting of the Chanukah candles, or is it hanacha oseh mitzvah, the placing of the candles in the proper place? So that's the mitzvah. The nafkamina would be, the difference would be if you light it in a place where you're not going to end up leaving it. You light it in a place which is no good. It's too high, it's too low, nobody can see it. And then you move it over to the proper place, whether or not you fulfill the mitzvah. If it's the hanacha or some mitzvah, if it's the placing it, that's the mitzvah, then you yosef, because you placed in the right place. But if it's not enough for the placing, it has to be lit in the right place, then that wouldn't work. Okay. So that's the simple explanation of these words. Hadlaka oseh mitzvah. That the lighting of the candles, that's what makes the mitzvah. The Kedushas Levi Yitzchak ben Baditcher, has a different touch, a Hasidic twist to these words. Hadlaka oseh mitzvah. This is the way he touches the Chazal. Hadlaka, the lighting, the kindling. A person, in order to do his service on Hashem, his davening, his learning, his doing mitzvos, and all the great things he does in serving the Creator, that has to be done. When? When is the hadlaka? When is the fire? When should a person use fire? In this case, we mean the positive aspects of fire. Of course, fire has negative aspects; it destroys too. But fire is also a reference to being burning, being hot, being enthusiastic. One of the things we talk about often in the shiur, right? Not like Larry David. You don't say curb your enthusiasm. You're supposed to be enthusiastic. Hadlaka. When should you be enthusiastic? When should you have the fire? When should you be hot in your avodas Hashem? Oseh mitzvah, be'esas yitzah mitzvah. You channel the idea of enthusiasm, a fire. That's for oseh mitzvah. That's when you do mitzvahs. That's the whole word. Hadlaka. When should a person have fire? When should a person be enthusiastic? Be excited? Oseh mitzvah, when you do a mitzvah. That's when enthusiasm and that's when fire is to be used when you do mitzvahs, when you serve Hashem.